Welcome to the AdMax video training series. This video will review how to add an extra publishing date to an existing schedule. This needs to be done for publications that publish on a non-standard schedule. For example, I might have published on June 1st of last year, but this year it will publish on the 10th of June. To begin, we'll go to the Schedule Maintenance module. This can be found by selecting the Maintenance pull-down list, then selecting the Products option, then selecting the Scheduling tab. Select the schedule to edit by double-clicking on it. This displays the Schedule Maintenance window with the description field highlighted. Press the F12 key on the keyboard to display a list of available commands. Select Extra Publishing Days from the list of options. This displays the extra publishing dates that are already scheduled. To add a new extra publishing date, click on the Insert button on the screen. In the first field, Publishing Date, enter the month and date. The second and third field are used to specify a range of years to schedule this date. Normally you'll enter this year for the start and end year. The last field is the description. Use the description to give a reason for this date. As a general rule of thumb, if I don't have a reason, I will enter the date in this field. When you're done, click on the Save icon at the top of the screen. After entering your extra date, you will need to leave the Schedule Maintenance screen. Once you return to the list of schedules, click on the Create Schedule File icon. This will display a message asking you to begin the process. It is best to run this process when no one is working in AdMax. If you run this process when someone is logged into AdMax, please have them exit AdMax at the earliest chance. They will not see the schedule change until they log out and back into the application. Click on Yes to begin. This process generates a table of valid publishing dates, which is used by Order Entry to quickly schedule insertions. When it finishes, you will be returned to the maintenance window. To review, when adding an extra publishing date, first select the schedule to update, then press the F12 key and select Extra Publishing Dates from the list. Insert the date that you wish to add. After adding all of your dates, run the Create Schedule File process. This concludes the How to Add an Extra Publishing Date video.